Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and we are just tracking a few light showers going from the southwest up towards the northeast this midday. This is mainly just rain because snow levels are way up there between 5,000 to 5,500 feet. So we're going to continue to dry out as we head into this afternoon and evening. I think the bulk of everything is going to shift over to the east side this afternoon and evening, and then as we head into the overnight hours, could have just a few more showers lingering in the Mount Shasta City and McLeod areas, but the rest of us should be dry. And that's about all she wrote for Stormcast and for wet weather for the next few days. So because of that, here's your outdoor dining forecast for the Rogue Valley. Going with 1 star because there's going to be a chance for showers around lunchtime, but for dinner time, going with 2 stars because temperatures will feel a little bit more seasonal, and in all likelihood, we're going to be dry for the Rogue Valley. So for today, we're going to continuously dry out like you saw on Stormcast. Temperatures are going to be about 5 degrees below average for this time of the year, so we're getting to average, folks. And I promise you we're going to get there as we head into Saturday, but we have to deal with one more day with below average temperatures. So that's going to equate to temperatures being in the 40s and 50s for the east side, 40s and 50s also for the west side valleys, and low 50s there along the coast in Brookings. And winds will gust up out of the west and southwest between 20 to 30 miles per hour for the east side and for the Cascades. And then overnight, again, like you saw in Stormcast, maybe holding on to a few showers down in the Mount Shasta City area. This would predominantly be rainfall because snow levels are just going to be so high. They'll stay up around 5,000 to 6,000 feet. Elsewhere will be dry, and it'll be a cold night, right around freezing for the east side. We'll be in the 30s for west side valleys and low 40s there along the coast in Curry County. The Pear Blossom Parade kicks off tomorrow morning at 11 in the morning, and so if you're going to head out to Medford for that, it will feel very spring-like. Temperatures will be in the 50s. We'll have a decent amount of sunshine. I mean, it'll be more clouds as opposed to sun, but there will be some sunshine out there, and so when you have sunshine and temperatures around 58 degrees, it doesn't feel half bad. I was just out there on the Stormwatch 12 weather patio, and it's near 50 degrees right now in Medford, and when that sun was hitting the back of my neck, it didn't feel half bad. That's all I gotta say. In fact, I kind of wish I was out there right now. And then into Easter Sunday, folks, this is the day that I think a lot of us have been waiting for. Again, there's going to be more clouds as opposed to sunshine, but look at these temperatures, low 70s for the Rogue Valley, for the Shasta Valley, and how appropriate is it that we're going to have our first 70-degree day on Easter Sunday? I'd say that is very apropos. Now, most of us will be dry, except for the coast. There will be some showers as we head into the PM hours, and that's ahead of a storm system that's going to bring us some more wet weather into Monday. And for right now, we're going with medium impacts for that storm system because it will be a wet storm system, but snow levels are going to be so high that I think we're probably going to avoid a bunch of wintry impacts, at least in terms of travel. So here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. We will see rain and maybe even a few rumbles of thunder for today, and then drying out for Saturday, but then showers returning very late on Sunday, and temperatures getting pretty close to 60 degrees on Sunday. For Siskiyou County, like I've already mentioned, we could potentially hit 70 degrees on Sunday for the first time this year, which is just so appropriate. I can't get over how good that timing is. Then for the east side, we'll also warm up as we head into the weekend, maybe flirting with 70 degrees as well. So it's been such a cold winter, such a cold spring so far. So I know a lot of us are cheering for this warmer weekend. Up in the Cascades and Siskiyous, the warmer weather is going to contribute to maybe some snowpack melt, but then we could potentially add to the snowpack again with that storm system for next week. And then for the Rogue Valley, 60s and 70s over the weekend, a very good holiday weekend, and then temperatures coming back down as we have another storm system for Monday.